How to fix Instagram security code not received. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Instagram security code not received. So let's begin right away. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your cell phone or iPhone is not on airplane mode. To do that, simply go to your control center and make sure that the airplane button right here has not turned on or is not highlighted. Also, do take note that your phone should also be not on Do Not Disturb. So as you can see, I have mine now. The Do Not Disturb has turned into on. So make sure to click on it and turn it off. And then, if it still doesn't work, what you're going to do is to go to Settings and then scroll down and look for Messages. So click on Messages and turn off and then turn on your iMessage option. And then if it still doesn't work, go down to this section right here and make sure to turn off filter unknown senders. So click on the toggle button in the rightmost part of the filter unknown senders, and the toggle button should turn into gray and not green. And again, if it still doesn't work, go back to settings, go to general, and then scroll to the bottom of general and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on transfer or reset and then click on reset. And then click on reset network settings and then wait for it to load. And again, if all of these steps still doesn't work, please contact the Instagram support or the Apple support using the Apple support app. Or you may also go to the nearest Apple or Mac center in your location. So that's it. That's how you may fix Instagram security code not received. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.